Hello. Alrighty, this week in my mini, I'm going to use this little fall sampler by 3 Tiny Bows. And I have this one sheet of one of her kits. I'm not sure what I did with the other one, so I'm hoping I find it, but you know, we'll work with this and we'll add that one in later. I do PR for her, and then I have her birthday stickers too, because I have 2 birthdays this week, my mom and my nephew. My code for her is TTB Vanessa to save 20%, and the link will be down below. And by Brianna Nicole Designz, I do PR for her also, and the links will be down below. You can save even more if you go to her new Shopify, because the prices are a little cheaper there. So it's all down below, but I've got the post to social media and the YouTube stickers. And by Missy Land Designs, I don't think she's on Insta anymore. I've got the little Instagram stickers. And by Felty Depot, I have these two cute little fox clips. And I've got this little washi. So we'll go ahead and get started. It is October this month. So, I don't seem to have an orange. I thought I had an orange marker sitting right here beside me. Go figure. Okay, I found one. Whew! Don't know where they went. Alright, so we'll just pull an orange marker out here. And I'm going to try to handwrite some stuff in here. So it probably won't go well, but we'll see how it goes. I've got this month is Wine and Plan. So I'm looking forward to that. Alright, so I just basically wrote October. And then to make it look like script, I'm just going to cheat a little bit. And everything that goes down, I'm just going to draw a secondary line, as you can see, and color it in. And that's just a way to kind of fake the brush lettering. So not perfect, but it gets the point across. Alright, so Monday is October 1st. So I'm just going to write my days here. I'm just handwriting them in. And then here I'm just going to write, hey weekend. Alright. So we're going to use the washi. And I just had the end. Oh, there it is. So we're just going to use it just to kind of split these up. I am kind of finding that while I love stickers, I'm really enjoying kind of just some simple things, doing a lot of handwriting and whatnot, to the point that I have not bought a planner for next year yet. I am kinda almost thinking I may switch over to more of a bullet journal. I'm still deciding. I might try it for a little bit and see how I do. But this year has just flown. It is 3/4 of the way over. Now it's all the holiday months. Alright, so we got those in. Go up here with these cute little foxy stickers. And I'm just gonna wanted them all on the sides this week to cover up my days of the week. These are super cute little foxes. Oops, and I'm off screen. There we go. Nope, this one's going to cover up part of my little hay weekend. So I'll just take my black pen just go right over the orange, and that way you can still see it. I love this one here on this little purple plaid. That is just super cute. Oops. I do want this one to be a little bit straighter. Alright, so put that there. Alright, so I'm going to put my 2 trackers down here this week. And it's got lots of colors. So I think this teal one kind of goes. So I'll put it right there. And we'll put the red YouTube right here. Alright. So Monday is a post day. And Tuesday. And Sunday, if I get it done. Sometimes I don't do it on Sundays, I wait till Monday. And I just wanted to add just some simple little circles that I'll write my to-dos in. And there. Poorly drawn. And then my nephew's birthday is the 5th. And my mom's is the 3rd. So I'll just write their names in there. So there's the birthday stickers. And we'll put our deco in here. This little bicycle is cute, and since this one is plain, I'm going to put it right on top of here. Oh, coffee and a donut. And there's a sticker on this sampler that says weekend. Will it cover up mine? Hey, mostly, so it works. So, yeah, I ended up covering that up completely. Funny how that works. But it happens. And it is a-okay. And we do have the party on this day. So I'll put that little foxy there. And this little fox is just going to sit right up here by October just because she's cute. Alright, so very simple. But I like it. Sometimes, like I said, simple is better. Got this cute little cat pin this week. Just gonna, since I wrote like the stuff in orange, my numbers and stuff, I will fill everything in black ink. Yeah, it's not wanting to go in there. But that is my layout for the week, and thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!